Hello guys, what is up? I'm back with another video. As you can see today I am breaking out. Well, I'm getting over a breakout. It's getting better. My last video though is how I literally cater to my acne and have like a routine for it and stuff. Ignore this bonnet, it does not want to act great. But anyway, so yes, I have a whole routine on like when I have acne, specifically how to cover my acne. It'll be linked, but I will do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to do like a transition. So I'm back, and I don't think my eyebrows are straight. I think they're pretty crooked, but what can you do? Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows on, I'm going to do this eye look. I think it's really pretty look in my head. Don't know if it's going to turn out how I want it to, but a girl can only hope. A fluffy brush, and I'm going to dip it and I'm just going to stamp it on and then swipe. To this brown, get in there, and I'm gonna stamp it right in my crease. I probably pretty neutral, keeping it pretty neutral, but I still want you to see it. Take this brush again and take like the side of it and blend out the top. I do the same thing to this eye. If you're watching, I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so subscribe and watch my new videos that come out, because I want to switch it up. I kind of want to do like a mini makeup tutorial vlog type deal, and do more than just sitting here and recording. I'm gonna cut this crease while this one dries a little bit more, and once I get done, it'll probably be time to do what I'm gonna do next to it. It's e.l.f. It's iridescent. I do not remember where I got it from. But it's really pretty, and I'm gonna use it. I'm excited. So I need to find a flat brush that I can pack on my glitter with. Yeah, okay, let's do it. So I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive, the one with aloe. I don't even know if that makes a difference, because when it gets stuck in my lash line, Doesn't matter if it's with aloe or freaking Gorilla Glue, because when it gets sticky, it's stuck. Take a small blending brush and blend some black. That I think I need more depth here. Along here. I'm already doing it. We have to. Okay, so I'm gonna do some diamonds. So I'm gonna say a couple above here. I know I said two. I know. But I'm just gonna see what it looks like. I'm gonna spread two out. I am. This my thought process. That's how it goes. Another one. Yeah. Alright. Okay. I am creating something here. I don't know what.